Hello everyone, I'm just standing here having a nice chilled glass of wine. Hey everybody, it's good to be back, and I have a really terrific recipe today called sherry mushrooms. And this is mushrooms that you would use with any kind of meat, like steaks, mostly probably where you've seen this dish in the past. But sherry mushrooms take an ordinary barbecue or an ordinary steak dinner and turn it into something elegant. And they're so easy to do. But it is a gourmet dish, so there are some timing and some different things you need to do with the ingredients, which I'll go over in just a moment. Before I do, if you have not taken the opportunity yet to subscribe, please do so and hit the little bell so that you get notifications when we have new recipes and new topics up on the channel. I really, really appreciate you watching, and I don't want you to miss anything because we have a lot of great stuff coming up. So let's get right into the ingredients that you're going to need today. You're going to need 6 cups of mushrooms. They can be any kind of mushroom you like, shiitake, portobello, whatever you like, your favorites. I'm going to be using today for this demonstration white mushrooms and baby bellas, and they need to be cut, sliced, and washed. So you want sliced mushrooms. You don't have to make the slices really small. You can make them about this large. This is a pretty large slice. They cook down, so it takes a lot of mushrooms to make this dish, so you need at least 6 cups. Next, you're gonna need 3 shallots and some thyme. You're gonna take the thyme, not thyme on your hands, thyme the herb, and turn it upside right and pull the leaves down using your fingers. The reason you don't want the stems is the stems don't soften up and it'll be like sticks in your dish. So you don't put the stems in there, just the thyme leaves. Then what you want to do is thinly slice the shallots into very thin slices because you're going to be caramelizing these. You're also going to need a half a cup of sherry. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to need 6 tablespoons of olive oil, dash of salt, and cracked black pepper. Those are the ingredients. So let's get into this and how we make these wonderful, delightful mushrooms for you. So the first thing that you do is you're going to caramelize the onions. You're going to use 2 tablespoons of the oil, and you're going to heat it up on medium heat, and you're going to caramelize the onions till they begin to turn brown. You do not want them to burn, so be sure you stay there and stir them. This will take about 10 minutes. All right, and then you're going to remove the onions from the dish, put them in a bowl and put them aside, and you're going to add the other 4 tablespoons of oil to the pan on medium heat, and then you're going to put the mushrooms in the pan, in the hot pan, and you're going to cook them. And you're going to stir them around and saute them. They're going to cook down. You're going to start off with 6 cups of mushrooms, and it's going to look like a lot of mushrooms, but they cook down, believe me. There'll be a lot of moisture and a lot of water in the pan. Be patient as you stir them until all of that moisture has evaporated out, and then the mushrooms will begin to sizzle for you, okay? So once you get the mushrooms and they're browned and they look kind of caramelized, you're going to add your half a cup of sherry and your thyme. And you're going to cook the mushrooms in the sherry on the same heat, medium heat, until the sherry has evaporated. And again, this will take about another 10 or 15 minutes, just depends on the humidity in the air, believe it or not, how long these dishes take to evaporate. So if you're in a humid climate like I am, it takes a little longer. If you're at a higher elevation or a drier climate, it takes a lot less time. So you will get at 10 minutes, anywhere to 15 to 20 minutes. But once the sherry has evaporated, you're going to add the butter and the dashes of salt, and you're going to stir those for a few minutes, and you're going to let the butter glaze the mushrooms and caramelize the mushrooms. It's going to smell wonderful while you're doing this. All right, once you've got the mushrooms done, you can put them in a bowl, you add your black pepper and stir them, and they're ready to go. We have them on steak, you can have it with chicken, you can have it with anything. They're delicious, and again, you can make these ahead, keep them in the refrigerator. If you're planning a big party, you can double the recipe. Generally, it's 6 cups of mushrooms. If you're gonna double the recipe, 12 cups of mushrooms. That's a lot of mushrooms. You may have to like get a larger pan or split your mushroom cooking time up. However, mushrooms cook down, so it takes a lot of mushrooms just to get the bowl of sherried mushrooms that you see here. I hope you enjoy these things. They're always a treat for any time we have a dinner party and have people over. It's summer, it's barbecue time, it's grilling time. There is nothing better with a grilled steak than sherried mushrooms. So again, I hope you enjoy these recipes that I'm bringing to you. A lot of them are coming to me through suggestions and feedback on the channel. Please take a moment to, again, subscribe and like the video, share the video with people that like to cook, and leave me comments and suggestions and questions. I will answer them. Usually within a day, we answer those questions. So I really appreciate the feedback. I appreciate your time watching the video today, and really let me know how you think these turned out and how they went for you, because they really are delicious in my book. So we will see you soon with more. Just stay tuned.